But for those of you who have come, I want to say thank you. You are the heroes. As you are well aware, there are many other persons who are reluctant, hesitant, and fearful in taking the vaccine. But by virtue of you coming, going through the process of taking the counseling, getting registered, taking the shot in the arm, then going through the observation, and then going back home. By you doing that, you will show to the other persons who are skeptical, suspicious, fearful, nonchalant. You will show them that one, there's nothing to fear, that after you have taken the vaccine, you're still healthy and still strong. But the ultimate test to come, if God forbid, you get infected. But you probably won't need to go to the hospital if you get sick. And the probability of you dying if you got infected would be very small. So what we do know is that the vaccines save lives. And what we also know is that the vaccine gives you a higher level of protection than if you didn't take the vaccine. So you have done the smart thing, and I'm hoping that by your example, others in your household, in your community, in your church, where you go to market, where you sit down and play bingo, if we can still do that these days, that you will convince them. So you are the heroes. And now I'm going to ask you to be the ambassador.